Let him know, let Mr. Dean know it is about to begin. I'm gonna need your help for the countdown. On 3, 2, 1, begin! You better support your mama, your horse, your victorious winner's gonna need your help. You're gonna have to cheer them on. Ooh,
come on, man.
Let's see what kind of technique are we using here. Is anybody dipping water with choo-choo sip?
How
we doing this? How we doing this? Who's masticating with masterful mastery? Is it you? I see those mandibles making their way north and south. Brilliance, brilliance. You must breathe through your nose. Circular breathing. Who's got circular breathing?
Come on, man.
Oh yeah.
Come on, man.
Careful now.
honey.
I see donut bits falling to the ground. You better get in your belly if you want to win. This game has integrity. It has a history. It has foolishness.
All you, Andre.
Come on, man.
All right, we are rounding the first corner. I see a lot of intense faces, much focus. Heads down, don't forget to breathe. Look at that pile of bacon. Look at that pile of bacon. Chew, chew, swallow. Chew, chew, swallow. Chew, chew, swallow. Chew, chew, swallow. Chew, chew, swallow down to your belly. I love bacon, put it in my belly. Come on! Go get it, Dick Deep. You gotta want it. You gotta do it like you mean it. This is the bacon eating contest. Come on! You gotta love it. You got to love yourself. You got to love your mama. You got to love your babies. You never seen the likes of this. Are you not entertained? Come on, who wants it? Get your rhythm down. A power 10 bacon eating.
Go. Go.
1, 2, 3. Oh! 5 on a chew. 6 on a swallow. Bacon. 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 Bacon.
Bacon. Bacon. Bacon.
Bacon. Bacon.
Come on, man.
Come on, Andre, you're almost done.
You've almost got it. It's between you and this guy over here. Come on, you got it.
Oh, we're rounding the final turn here.
Come
we're
on,
rounding the final turn. I think some few techniques are going to
Come on, you got it, Andre. Take the lead.
You got to swallow.
Come on.
It's a 4 bag. Your final chew, you're determined. Your final chew and swallow will be
Do the tappy laugh.
Handle your business. Handle your business.
All the tappy at once. All of it.
No, you got this handle. A sissy donut at your feet.
Come on, you got it. One more. You got it, Andre. Come on now. You got it. Stand it. Turn your plate over. Turn your plate over. Stand up.
Swallow.
Come on. Come back, go.
You got it, Andre. Get the tappy down. Come on.
Is he gonna do it? Is he gonna pass out? Will he make it?